Okay, welcome back. You're with us here on Bazaar Morning Call. 9 minutes to go for the pre-open session, and it's going to be down to begin with. Anuj is here in the studios to run us through what he's making of things. Anuj, hi, morning.
Morning, Prashant. It's a typical sort of bearish market where selling on every rally is working, and the market gave two sell-on rally trades yesterday, one at open and one around noon. You need to see the failure of the rally then maybe sell. The Bank Nifty has been leading the fall, but IT joined yesterday, and my sense is there could be more today in IT, because even though IT tried to preempt Nasdaq's weakness, the weakness was a bit too much in Nasdaq. In fact, a big move, and Nifty has now shown signs of perhaps even heading towards a 200-day moving average. And the US market is finally taking cognizance of this bond yield moving to 4%. For long, the bonds and equities were moving in different direction. Finally, both are moving in same direction. On the Nifty, you want to see the 17,800 put, because that is what the market action is about. The put writer, you have 50 rupee premium and 70 lakh open interest. So what does the put writer do in a gap down? My sense is 17,750 to 17,760 will be the zone in which you will see some profit taking, and maybe even some traders will try a contra long, but fresh shorting only if 17,750 breaks decisively, and keep an eye on the IT index and if there's any recovery or not. Now, I think today's big trade might come on the Bank Nifty, which has been the weakest link, and we've been talking about it. But just for the day, the Bank Nifty could actually see maybe a bit of a relief rally. And I say that because there are too many shorts in the system, and there's been one-sided consensus shorting on the Bank Nifty, and it's very close to some really significant support levels. The 200-day exponential moving average of 40,100, for example, is something which the bulls would try to defend at least once. So maybe around 4,200, 4,300, you see some short covering on the Bank Nifty today. But if 4,100 breaks, then I think the Bank Nifty braces itself positionally for another 1,000 point and maybe even towards the 200-day simple moving average. But just for the day, maybe there can be post 10 a.m. If the first hour low holds, some short covering in the Bank Nifty.
Okay, some short covering in the Bank Nifty, but that's